So if you've had a slot car for a little while and you put it on the track and where previously it ran really good, put it on there and all of a sudden, oh no, it makes this horrible noise. And it shakes and it vibrates, and for the most part you think, well, something terrible has gone wrong. Well, it has, but it's not that bad. And I think I can show you today how it's easily fixed. Probably not a great long-term fix, but it'll take care of it pretty quick. So let me just bring this around. We'll show you what's going on. So this is the issue with these cars. This is happens to be a Carrera, but it has happened with other manufacturers. The tire deforms. See how you get a little bit of that movement right up there? So the tire is no longer round true, does not roll smooth. If you run on no mag or on a wood track, the problem is magnified a little bit. So I've got a quick cure today. Now the best thing to do would probably be get some replacement tires, be it different set of urethanes, maybe some new old stock Carrera tires, or maybe some silicones, and put on the front and get them just the right size, the right diameter that you want. For the time being, I'm going to show you what I did. So here we have some O-rings from the hardware store. They have the correct ID to fit on the wheel, and then the OD is about the correct size of the old tire. So I'm going to put those on. Now when I go to remove these original tires, I would not be surprised if they don't stretch, crack, break, just fall apart in my hands as I'm doing it. See, that's exactly what I'm talking about there. They are past their prime. They are not going to work for what we need them to do anymore. So now that that's off, I'm going to take this O-ring and just place it on the outer rim. And it is a bit of a fiddly bit to do to get it on there, to work it around all the way around. Kind of looks like a tire from the side, but when you look at it from the bottom, it hits just barely on there. Now I'm going to go ahead and do the other side, and then we'll take it around the track, see if it makes a big improvement. All right, so I've gone ahead and done both sides. You know, looks like a tire. I don't know if you can see that from the front there, but it's a pretty low profile tire, low rolling resistance. Now, if you run in a club, they may say, hey, no way, that's not okay by the rules. You got to put some real tires on. But, you know, if you got a car you just want to run and keep it at the house, you know, and order tires to replace them, this will get you going. That package is $3 or less. And it came with 10 O-rings, so that's enough for 5 cars. This is a common wheel on this Ferrari. It also is the same size as on the Carrera DTMs and on the Corvette C6R and C7R. And I'm sure there's a bunch more too. All right, I've completed the swap, got the car back on the track. Let's give it a go, see if it's smoother than it was. I think it's gonna be. Kind of hard to film and run a car at the same time, but it no longer bounces, much smoother on the front end.